Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Horton RC3955. This is a rebuilt power supply for the 2150 linear door opening. And this video is to just primarily serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Replacement power supply for the 2000 linear, 2001 belt sliding doors. Dimension of the back plane, about 6 3/8, with a height at about 2 3/4, with a depth at about 3.5, weighs 4.7 pounds. And there are images down below that will show the circuit board so that you can study that in detail. There's a link also below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Horton products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Horton? This is their part number RC3955 rebuilt power supply for the 2150 linear door style or any other Horton product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.